Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viraj and today we guys are going to discuss about a map function in Python. Map is a built-in function which takes the two arguments. One is a function and second one is iterables. These function can be built-in or it can be user-defined. Iterable items can be list, tuple, dictionary and set. Map function execute a specific function for each item in iterable. We can see this with the one of the example. So result is nothing but the map type of object. Map is a built-in function. Length is also a built-in function which is going to calculate a length for an item. We are passing a list. This list containing a strings ABC, PQR, S, X, Y, Z. This result we have to again convert into the either list, tuple or any data type to get the output. So that's why we are going to get 3, 4, 1, 2 where 3 points to the ABC, 4 points to the PQRS, 1 is pointing to the X and 2 is pointing to the Y and Z. Let's see this practically. Map result equal to map length comma then what we can do ABC PQRS X Y and Z. If we just type a result, we will get a map type of object. This type of object we have to again convert into the iterable. So list result and now we can see the output which is 3, 4, 1, 2. Even we can write our custom or user defined function and we can pass it. We can write a multiple type of logic inside this. So this is one of the simplest example where we can use a map along with the built-in function and iterable elements. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next.